Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the dancing skeleton filter on TikTok. To get started, you want to go ahead and log into your TikTok application. You want to click on the plus sign here. Alright, so once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on effect. And you want to go ahead and see, just check around if you can see it, or if you can see the effect right here. For me, I have it saved to trending. So I'm going to show you how you can get the effect even if you don't have it readily available. Okay, so this is the skeleton. Yeah. Alright, suppose you don't get the effect like this. What you want to do is to click on the link in the description and join me on the site. Alright, this is the site. Once you're here, what you want to do is to scroll down and you need to wait for the site to load, okay? So you need to scroll down until you can see this particular picture right here, and you want to go ahead and click on the picture. You want to wait for it to load. So once you're here, you can click on add to favorites to add it to your favorites, and then you want to go ahead and hit use this effect. Alright, that's the effect once again. Guys, this is how to get the dancing skeleton effect on TikTok. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.